Hello.
Rồi, Thi ngồi lên con.
Hello, Harry.
Harry, Serena.
Harry, Harry, where is Harry? There
Here.
you are. I can only see some of your hair. I cannot see your face. There you are. I found you. Hello, Harry. Good afternoon.
Yes, yes. Câu hỏi gì kìa con?
Yes.
Ah,
I have my brother.
again, what is that? You
I
have?
have my brother.
You have your brother? Of course, you have a brother. What do you mean by you have your brother? Simon?
Brother.
Who?
Cousin, no, cousin.
My
Your cousin?
cousin.
Cousin.
Yes.
Ah, you have your cousin in your house?
Yes.
Wow. How many cousins do you have in your house right now?
Yes.
How many?
Two.
Two? Oh, boys and girl, all boys or all girls or boy or girl?
Oh, yeah.
Uh,
All, yeah.
No. Boys. Boys.
Boy, boys. All boy.
all boys.
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
did you play? Did you play with your cousins?
Yes.
Wow. Are you happy? Are you happy that your cousins are in your house?
Yes.
Yes. What about you? Did you go to their house too
Yes.
before?
Yes. It's
Oh.
Saturday. It's Sunday.
Huh?
It's Saturday. It's Sunday. I go to my brother's house.
Ah, you call your cousin brother. Ah, that's so
Cousin.
cool.
Cousin. Cousin.
Cousin. Yeah, in the Philippines too, we call them, even though they're just our cousin, we still call them sister and brother. We
Sister.
still call them sister and brother, right?
Yes.
So, last Sunday you went to your cousin's
I,
house.
I don't want drink milk.
Oh, okay. No, you have to finish your milk because it's good for your body. Okay, wait for a
Dạ.
while.
Uống thì cầm ra giùm
You
nhanh,
have to
nhanh lên.
finish your
Go,
milk.
go. Mexico. Mexico.
What?
Con ơi. Rồi.
What? Okay. So, Harry, let's start our class. Are you ready?
Yes.
Phi
Oh,
ơi. Con, ngồi
okay.
lên.
Please listen to teacher and eyes on the screen, okay?
Okay.
So before we proceed with our new lesson, Harry, let's review the words. Let's before we proceed with our activities, let's review the countries that we've learned yesterday. Okay, let's read number one. Wait. Let me cover this. Ta-da! Let's see if
Mexico.
you remember. Number one.
Mex- Mexico.
Good job.
Mexico.
Two.
Japan.
Very good. Three.
Russia.
Wow. And number four.
Turkey.
Good job. So easy, right? Is it so easy? Y-
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's continue now, Harry, and this time we're going to read some sentences. Some people who came from those countries. So we will know how are we gonna use our 2 hours there to theirs. Okay? So we're going to talk about that after you read the sentence. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, wait for a while. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, let's read number 1. Can you read number 1?
Của chúng ta. Tiếp tục.
We're from Mexico. This is our flag. It's green, white, and red.
Okay, very good. Now look at them. Harry, again, where where are they from?
Where are they from? They are
There.
They're
they
from Mexico.
Very good. They're from Mexico. Now let's look at this word, Harry. Actually, when we use the pronoun our, it means something belongs to me and him and her, for it belongs to us. Okay? That's our. Like for example, this is our powder. It belongs to me and my family. Like that. Me and my family. It belongs to us. You get it? Our. Not just for me. When we say our, it's not just for me, but to some other people around me also. Okay? Get it? Okay, wait.
I-
Our.
Our là của chúng tôi. Của chúng mình là
Let's try
của
to
chúng.
translate this, in Vietnamese, the word this is our flag. This is what it means. What is this?
Đây là lá cờ của
In
chúng tôi.
Vietnamese,
Đây là lá cờ của chúng tôi.
our. It's something belongs to not just me, but to some other people also. Got it? Okay. Now, can you try it, Harry? Can you make a sentence with the word our? Can you try it? Like, for example, this is our flag. This is our. Can you try it? Okay, go. Try. Show me something. Show me something on your table and tell me what is that. Only one. One thing. Where are you? Hello? Hello? Is there a sound? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, what is that? A
This
book?
This is our.
This is our book.
Okay, that's your book. That's Harry and who? Who's the other person? Harry and Simon?
Yes.
Yes. So when we say our, you said this is our book, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it means the word our here, it means it is Harry and Simon, right?
Yes.
The word our here, it means this is Harry and Simon's book. Or you can also say, this is our book. Got it?
Yes.
Or this is Harry and Simon's book. Or you can also say, for short word, you can use our. Did you get it?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, wait for a while. Let me save this one first. I have to save this. Okay. Now let's continue. That's for our. Okay, now Harry, what's the color? What are the colors in Mexico's flag? What are the 3 colors? What colors do you see in Mexico's flag?
This is our flag.
Không phải.
À.
Ý là cái lá cờ Mexico có màu gì? What color mà?
It's green, white, and red.
Very good. So those are the colors that you can see in Mexico's flag. Look at that. Green, white, and red. In horizontal, vertical. Is it vertical? Like this. Okay, next, number 2. Let's read number 2.
Number 2.
We are from Japan. This is our flag. It has a red circle. It's ours.
Okay. You might be confused because there is our and there is also ours, right? The other one there is as, but they're just the same. Harry, okay? After you said this is our flag, it's ours. That's just the continuation of the sentence. After you say this is our book, it's ours. Or you can also say this is my book, it's mine. Actually, there are a lot of confusing words, right? For our, there is ours. For my, there is mine.
Ít thì our phải thêm S.
There is
Okay.
also there, and then theirs.
Đỡ ours. Mai thì
Like
mình
for
có thể
example, you say, this is our flag. It's ours. The same, okay? This is our flag. The flag is ours, or the flag belongs to us. It's ours. Just like that. Okay? Can you say that? Can you say that, Harry? With your book. Show me your book again. Where is your book? And then you say, this is our. Where's your book? Okay, show me. And then you say, this is.
This is our book.
It's.
Ours.
Very good. So it means the books belongs to you and Simon. What about if we use my and mine? Can you try my? This is my.
This is my book.
It's
mine.
very good. So when we use my, it means that the book belongs on. I'm sorry. It means that the book belongs to me, only me, not other people, only me. This is my book. It's mine. But when we use our, this is our book. It's ours. Ours.
người nữa ha.
And there's one more. There and theirs. So when we use there, you are not included. Harry is not included. Let's say mommy and Simon only, ha? Let's say mommy and Simon. Let's say, for example, the book. This book belongs to. This book is theirs. Theirs. This book is theirs. It means it's only belongs to mommy and Simon, not Harry. Got it? Okay, can you say that? This book is
Theirs.
There. This book is there.
Go.
This
is
This
our
book is
this
this one. I'm sorry. This is their book. Go.
this
is their book.
and is theirs.
Theirs.
Okay. So the word there is only mommy and Simon. Not only one, but maybe 2, 3 or more. Mommy and Simon. Harry is not included. But when we say our, it means you are included. You are also, it also belongs to you. Did you get
Bụng.
it? Is it hard? I find it hard too.
Dạ.
Đây là lúc Mỹ.
Đây là
Okay.
cách
Did you understand, Harry?
Thổ Nhĩ Kỳ. Câu hỏi kìa.
Got
Yes.
it?
Yes, yes.
Uh, okay. Good job. Now let's go to the flag now. Now look at this. Look at them. Harry, where are they from?
We're from Japan.
Very good. And then what's the two colors of Japan's flag? Color. There are only two colors. What are those?
It has a red circle.
Color,
It
color. Only color. What are the colors of Japan's flag?
Is
is
this is no cô đang hỏi lá cờ có màu gì, mình trả lời như bình thường thôi.
is red
And
and white.
Okay, very good. It's red and white. And that's already correct, huh? But the most common thing that other people will look for Japan's flag is the red circle in the middle. A red circle, white background, red circle. That's Japan's flag. Mm. Okay, number 3. Let's read number 3.
They're from Russia. This is their flag. Russia's flag is white, blue, and red. It's theirs.
Okay, so they're just the same. We're using their and theirs. Okay?
Cái gì mình phát trên bài thôi. Hả?
đọc đi con, đọc
Yay! I'm
What?
happy.
What are you going to do? Why are you happy? Because?
Very happy
Why are you happy?
because tomorrow I do homework.
You will do your homework tomorrow?
Yes.
You're not going to
Today,
do your homework tonight?
today I don't do homework. Tomorrow I do.
Ah, okay, I got it. I am also happy for you. Okay, so what's the color of Russia's flag, Harry? Russia's flag?
Russia's flag is white, blue, and red.
Okay, very good. White, blue, and red. Okay, you have to remember the color of the flags, huh? Don't forget. You have to put it on your mind. Every country has different colors of their flag. Last, number 4. Number 4.
They are from Turkey. This is their flag. It's theirs. It's red and white.
Okay, very good. So where are they from, Harry?
They from Turkey.
And then what is the color of their flag?
It's red and white.
Very good. And aside from the red and white, look at the moon. The big moon and the small star. That's the Turkey's flag. Red background, white moon, and white star. White big moon and white small star. Okay? Okay, did you get it? Do you have any questions, Harry? Do you want to ask teacher?
No.
No. Are you sure? Okay, give me a high five. High five. Good job. Now let's do an activity now. This one. Let's answer the question. Not a question. So you are going to read the sentences. You're going to answer either yes or no. Okay? Okay, let's start with number 1. Harry, can you read?
Mexico flag is red and blue.
Yes.
Okay. Is Mexico's flag green and blue? Yes or no? No. Why? What's the colors of Mexico's flag?
Is green and white.
Green, blue, and white. Let's see. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. There's no blue. It's not blue. It's green. Okay, you look at the color. It's green.
Is green, white, and red.
Okay, Mexico's flag is green, white, and red. Okay, remove the blue. No blue, okay? Okay, then let's go to number 2.
Japan's flag has a red and circle.
Red circle.
A red
Oh,
circle.
red circle.
Japan's
Yes.
flag has a red circle. Yes or no?
Cái hình
Thiếu,
cầu.
thiếu white flag.
Nhưng mà ở đây người ta chỉ nói là Japan flag has a red circle. Ý là cái lá cờ của nước này nó có hình tròn màu đỏ là đúng mà.
Nhưng mà thiếu màu trắng mà.
Không, người ta không nói cái màu, người ta chỉ nói là có cái hình tròn màu đỏ thôi.
Okay, what is your answer?
Oh no.
You remove all of them. Okay, circle it again. No. And Japan? Yes. Yes, there is a red circle. Not just a red circle, but a big circle. Look. This is Japan's flag. Can you see it? Ta-da! Okay. Red, but the sentence says a red circle. So yes. Number 3.
Russia flag is blue and yellow.
Russia's flag is blue and yellow. Yes or no? No. Why? What's the color of Russia's flag?
Blue, white.
Không biết.
What's the last color? It has 3 colors. 3. Blue, white, and
Red.
red.
Yes.
Blue, white, and red. Okay, let's see. That's right. Okay. Blue, white, and red. But it's we should not. What do you mean that? How can I say this? You should not change the colors, Harry. If your teacher at school asks you to draw Russia's flag, you have to color white first, and then blue in the middle, and then red. Okay? Do not color red here, and then white here, and then blue here. It's gonna be wrong. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so your answer is yeah, I know. Very good. Last, number 4.
Turkey's flag is red and white.
Is Turkey's flag red and white?
Yes
Yes or no? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Let's move it like here.
Yes.
Good job! It's red and white. The red background and with a white big moon and a white small star. Good job! Very good. High five. High
Yes.
five. Okay, wait for a while. Now let's continue, and this time let's draw. Okay, among the three flags, what do you want? I don't know. Four. We have Mexico, Japan, Russia, and Turkey. Which one do you like best?
Japan.
Japan. Let's draw Japan's flag, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's try to draw Japan's flag. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna find a white background. Okay,
This
here.
Japan.
Huh?
This is Japan.
Okay, you can draw Japan.
I want the paper.
You want a paper?
Yes.
It's not gonna come out.
Paper.
I don't know why. It's here. You can draw it here. Okay, go. White background and a red big circle. Red big. You have to color it red. The circle. Ay! Wait. I'll do it for you. Ay! What did you do? Okay, I'll put it in the middle. That's okay. Very good. So which country is this?
Japan.
Japan. Very good. Do you want me to make it bigger? Let's make it
Yes.
bigger. This is Harry's I
I saw
drawing.
already.
Okay. That's so small. Let's make it big. That's okay.
Okay.
That's okay. You color it. Color. Color. Do you want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay, I'll color it. Ay! What did you do?
I color.
Sorry. Japan. Okay, I'll color it. I will color. Done. Do you like it?
Yes.
Is this okay? Okay, so this is Japan's flag. Let's take a picture. In 3, 2, 1, smile.
Yes.
Okay. So that's it for tonight, Harry. This afternoon, we are done. Thank you so much, Harry. Bye-bye. I love you. Okay, you can call Simon. Bye-bye.